Okay guys, let's check it outside. I heard somebody's knocking the door. I think that's my order from eBay. Remember the seatbelt? Yeah. It took only about 3 weeks. Okay, let's see it outside. Come on. Hey guys, you're watching on my channel Just Vlog Once. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button for more updates. Stay safe and enjoy watching. Alright guys, here my buddy Jessica was gonna go out og amon chikon kung naabot ba ang among order from eBay! Yay! Right, come on guys. That's the order from eBay. Wow! Finally, we got our order almost 3 weeks guys from eBay. So let's check it out. Kung mao ba ni ang the right one. Right? The seatbelt, Jessica?
Yeah.
Alright, okay. Let's open it. Okay.
Guys, we'll open the box. My seatbelt. My eBay.
Okay. So excited. You know what? Morning mo seatbelt. This is your seatbelt. So you must be thankful. Alright? So finally we can fix it now. Alright? See guys? We just wrap it. See guys, they just wrap it thoroughly. So really see, one break the plastic ay naka plastic bubble.
Yay, can I pop?
Really wrapped up.
Whoa.
Perfect. Perfect. Hope this seatbelt I hope this seatbelt gonna work. Already?